Moisten your face with water. Cleanse with Inatur Collagen Face Cleansing Foam. It helps in tightening the dermis and brings in firmness to the skin. Brings glow to the face while making it soft and supple. Pump of Collagen Face Cleansing Foam. You can pump anywhere between 2 to 4 times. Massage it on a circular motion. Rinse your face with normal water. Spray lavender hydrosol floral water on your face. Inatur Collagen Face Serum. It evens complexion and provides relief to dry and dehydrated skin. Helps in regenerating skin and brings renewal of fresh skin cells. Take a small amount of Collagen Face Serum and apply on your face and neck. Massage till it gets completely absorbed. Collagen Day Cream SPF 30. It helps in tightening the dermis and brings firmness to the skin while protecting the skin from UVA and UVB rays. Pump out a generous amount of Collagen Day Cream SPF 30 on palms. Apply on the face and neck. Massage it till it gets absorbed.